Not long ago, social media was full of stunning, cartoon-like images inspired by Studio Ghibli's iconic animation style. Ever wonder how you could do it too? Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Of course, the master behind those dreamy portraits was none other than AI. When OpenAI's GPT-4o update dropped, its image generator took social media by storm, along with an ever-popular trend. The new feature enables ChatGPT users to create illustrations inspired by Hayao Miyazaki's iconic films with just a text prompt. Yes, now you can put yourself in the Ghibli world and experience the magic in creating AI-generated images using ChatGPT, which is pretty easy. Users just have to access ChatGPT by visiting chat.openai.com and log in with your OpenAI account credentials. Then start a new chat and enter a descriptive prompt for the image you wish to generate. Just put your picture and write, "Make this in Ghibli style." Now press enter and submit your prompt, and there you go. ChatGPT has transformed you into your Ghibli alter ego. Next, download and save the image by right-clicking on it and selecting Save Image As to download it to your device. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently stated that there's been an overwhelming demand for these AI-generated images, and it's caused a delay for some time, especially for free users. However, those who don't have access to ChatGPT's image generation feature, various free alternatives including Gemini, Grok AI, Crayon, Artbreeder, Runway ML, Leonardo AI, and Mage Space can make somewhat similar portraits. By using these tools, users can generate Ghibli-style visuals with precise prompts or basic inputs. Have you hopped on the trend yet? Let us know in the comments, like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. OpenAI's art game just got wild. Studio Ghibli-style images are everywhere, and now they're testing watermarks to mark the magic. Is this a win for creators or a buzzkill for fans? Stick around to find out what's shaking up the AI art world. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel, your spot for the juiciest AI scoops in 2025. OpenAI's ChatGPT 4o is in the hot seat. Those dreamy Ghibli-style pictures flooding X? They're getting a watermark twist, and the internet is buzzing. From Miyazaki's masterpieces to AI memes, we're diving into why this matters and what's next. Let's roll. So here's the tea. OpenAI dropped its slickest image generator yet with GPT-4o last month, and users went nuts, turning selfies, pets, even 9/11 memes into Studio Ghibli vibes. Think Spirited Away meets your dog. X was exploding. Sam Altman's Ghibli 5 profile picture hit millions of views, and post screamed, "This is peak AI." It's free for all now, not just Plus users. And the result? Stunning. Lush forests, big-eyed characters, that cozy Ghibli glow. But here's the kicker. Hayao Miyazaki, Ghibli's legend, once called AI art an insult to life itself. Oof. Ironic much? Sources say it's a copyright gray zone, and now OpenAI is testing a fix. Watermarks on these AI masterpieces. Why watermarks? Picture this. You whip up a Ghibli-style picture of your cat. Adorable, right? But is it yours? OpenAI has been training on a massive image pile, maybe even Ghibli frames, and artists are salty. X posts are like, "Protect Miyazaki's legacy," while others shrug, "Style's not copyrightable." Enter the watermark, spotted by AI researcher Tibor Blaho. It's popping up on free tier images, not plus ones. Think a subtle image gen tag, proof that it's AI, not hand-drawn. Forbes says it's OpenAI's move to dodge legal heat. Lawsuits from the New York Times and artists like Carla Ortiz already have them sweating. X fans are split. Good for transparency versus ruins the vibe. But it's clear, Ghibli's viral moment forced OpenAI's hand. Let's break it down. This isn't just about cute pictures. Ghibli's handcrafted art clashes hard with AI's mass production flex. Miyazaki's 2016 rant, "I'm disgusted," still echoes, and fans on X agree. They say this cheapens the craft. But OpenAI's not backing off. 700 million images generated, and they're teasing an image gen API for devs. Watermarks might chill the free tier hype though. X posts say now it's branded, plus users dodge it, keeping clean copies. Catch? It's unclear if this sticks. OpenAI's still testing it. Could this calm the copyright storm or just annoy the meme lords? Summer 2025 is gonna tell. Here's the real talk. It's April 2025 and AI art's at a crossroads. Watermarks might mean your Ghibli-style selfie screams AI made, but it's also a nod to creators crying foul. For you, artist, memer, or casual user, this could shift how we see AI art. X-Chatter is wild. They're saying, next they'll watermark my tweets. And with courts still debating fair use, this is just round one. Summer's coming. Will OpenAI lock it in or ditch it? Either way, your next AI picture might come with a tag. Are you ready for the watermark era? Team watermark or team free for all? Where you at? Drop your take in the comments. Top 7 AI image generators for 2024. Generating images from a simple word prompt is one of the most well-known applications of generative artificial intelligence, and there's dozens of AI image generators on the market that provide an equally diverse set of settings, features, and styles. Users progress from technologies like Midjourney, which could generate a low-resolution, hardly recognizable portrayal of a human, to high-resolution, photorealistic photos that are indistinguishable from those captured with a camera. In addition, users now have text on pictures from OpenAI and DALL-E 3 and Ideogram, the AI company founded by former Google engineers, along with in-painting, constant character, and upscaling capabilities from Stability AI, which are widely used by businesses like Leonardo and Night Cafe. Here's some of the best AI image generators overall. Leonardo is a very effective wrapper for a range of Stable Diffusion models, similar to many models in the same class, but it goes into much more than that. It distinguished itself in the field with personalized styles, optimized models, and additional AI image tools. Moreover, it can produce a variety of styles using the Elements function, and its capacity to produce photorealistic photos, owing to the precisely calibrated photoreal model, is almost on par with Midjourney's. Midjourney is among the most prominent and remarkable artificial intelligence picture creators on the market right now. It's not user-friendly, which is one of its many shortcomings, but what makes it more difficult to use also makes it more remarkable. Some of the most skilled users can make it to produce photographs that appear to have been taken directly from a photo camera, demonstrating its exceptional ability to produce lifelike images. Midjourney always features individuals who appear natural, and they were among the first to solve the finger problem. Ideogram is one of the user's preferred AI picture generators. Whereas its feature set isn't the strongest, it can add text unlike any other model and responds to prompts quite effectively. I can create whole movie posters, flyers, and greeting cards with precise wording. It's accessed through a very straightforward prompt box and is both strong and user-friendly, with the ability to automatically improve your prompt to obtain a better image. Microsoft Copilot Designer DALL-E 3. While some picture generators like Midjourney are separate applications, others, like Microsoft's Designer, which is integrated into the Copilot chatbot, are part of other programs. Without purchasing Copilot Pro, it's also free to use. Microsoft's Designer is an outstanding creation based on the same core DALL-E 3 technology as ChatGPT. It allows you to alter every part of the picture, even removing certain objects from it. OpenAI ChatGPT DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 is restricted to Plus account holders on ChatGPT. Within ChatGPT, DALL-E may be used in a few different ways. Simply tagging DALL-E in the main chat, using the DALL-E GPT special chatbot, or the main interface are the 3 ways to reach it. Moreover, one of the first well-known for-profit generative AI picture tools was the original DALL-E. OpenAI first made it available as an API or via a special DALL-E website. However, then combined it with their chatbot. Its capacity to communicate through images is also its main point of sale. Everything is generated using only plain language and is dependent on text prompts. Google Image FX. One of the greatest AI picture generating models available is Google's Imagen 2. It can handle text on pictures as well as ideograms and produces interesting and unique graphics. There are a few ways to get there. However, Google Labs Image FX project is the most creative. The intriguing thing about Image FX is how it responds to prompts. When you provide it with a paragraph-long prompt, it identifies essential terms and converts them into drop-down menus. After that, each menu has 3 or 4 options that are comparable to the term you entered. Adobe Firefly. One of Adobe Firefly's remarkable features is its training data set, which is nearly entirely composed of images from Adobe stock. It also offers significant customization options for image production. The latter factor indicates that Firefly has a higher ethical training set than the majority of image generators available on the market, which even led to Adobe providing financial indemnification against copyright claims about photos created with Firefly. Another generation of Fireflies is on the horizon. Moreover, the Firefly model powers a variety of generative AI functions provided by Adobe, such as vector generation, template creation, and generative fill in Photoshop.